Dissemination of Research from Lab to Society, presented by Professor Rahul Jain. Welcome to this session on dissemination of research, a crucial phase in the research lifecycle where knowledge transitions from the lab, the field, or the computer into the real world. Let's understand what dissemination means, why it matters, and how modern researchers are sharing their findings more effectively than ever before. Dissemination isn't just about publishing papers. It's about ensuring that the right people, practitioners, policymakers, educators, and the public, understand and apply your findings. Dissemination can be formal, like academic publishing, or informal, like blog posts, workshops, and social media. Let's explore some of the key modern channels used by researchers today. Each of these has its own purpose, audience, and impact. Let's break a few of them down. Peer-reviewed journals are still the gold standard. They validate your findings through expert evaluation. However, they can be slow and often have limited access. That's why open access publishing is gaining traction, so that your research can be freely accessed by anyone, anywhere. Conferences offer immediate feedback, collaboration opportunities, and are great for building your network. Many now offer hybrid formats, allowing researchers to present globally without traveling. Preprint servers allow fast, early sharing before peer review. Repositories hosted by universities and funders ensure your work is preserved and publicly accessible. Social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and ResearchGate have become essential for visibility. A simple infographic or thread can drive traffic to your full study. But remember, accuracy is key. Misinterpretation can damage credibility. Dissemination isn't accidental, it needs a plan. Think about your audience. Are they fellow scientists, policymakers, the general public? Accessibility matters. Use clear language, provide translations if needed, and ensure your content is accessible to people with disabilities. Dissemination is not effective if your audience can't engage with it. It's not just about publishing, it's about making an impact. New tools like Altmetric and PlumX help track engagement beyond just citations. In today's world, research must be seen, understood, and applied. Dissemination bridges the gap between discovery and decision-making. So, next time you complete a study, ask yourself, not just what you discovered, but who needs to know and how you'll reach them. Thanks for watching. Explore more educational content at your platform or institution.